Hazrat On bin Abu Juhayfa reports that his father said, the Prophet ﷺ established fraternity between Hazrat Salman and Hazrat Abu Darda. When Hazrat Salman went to see Hazrat Abu Darda, he found Hazrat Darda gloomy. He said, "What is wrong with you?" She said, "Your brother Abu Darda has served his links with the world." So Hazrat Darda came, got the meal prepared and said, "You may eat it as I am observing fast." He said, "I will not eat until you eat." The reporter said, "He ate when it was night." Abu Darda stood up for worship. He said, "Go to sleep." He went to sleep and again got up for worship. He said, "Go to sleep." When the last hours of night approached, Hazrat Salman said, "Now get up," and both performed prayers. Hazrat Salman said to him, "Your Lord has a right on you. Your life has a right on you. The members of your family have a right on you. So pay the right to everyone who has right on you." Then he, Abu Darda, came to the Prophet ﷺ and narrated it to him. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Salman has spoken the truth." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1968.